mean, I came home and I was red and I thought, oh my god, I'm gonna explode. Thank God I have my knitted silk and bamboo bra. Overall, very happy with this. Today is a very beautiful day, but it's going to be quite warm. We are in our balcony and it's full of beautiful plants. So I have to go to the post office because someone purchased little stitch markers, so I'm gonna send them. The post office is about 15-17 kilometers from here, so it's quite a ride. But the most challenging thing, I think, is here there are lots of hills, so you have to, you know, bike down and uphill all the time, and so it's quite a workout. I hope I'll come out alive. Cheers and welcome to a new vlog day, I guess. So I went to the post office, I met with my landlord, I took a coffee. It was very hard. I didn't expect it to be that hard. Probably it's because I'm unfit. I mean, not that I'm unfit in general, I'm unfit for the bike. Sorry if I'm eating a banana while I talk. I need to train a bit. I need to go more often. Eventually I'll get better, because now, oh my, I think the bike is one of the best means of transportation. It's just like, it doesn't cost anything. I mean, it costs, you know, your own physical energies, but that's healthy, I guess. And I'm gonna ride back home, but it's gonna be intense. Second banana gone. Wish me good luck energetically. A little stream, and it's just so amazing. It's full of dragonflies. Look at her. No. I'm sheltering under this beautiful oak tree. Let me tell you, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm like red and I'm not sunburned. Thank God I have my knitted silk and bamboo bra, and this as well. I just came home, I had a shower and I passed out for like 10 minutes. I was in bed thinking, what have I done? It was very hard. And I feel that I've been complaining all the way during this bike journey, but it was my first time going to the little town here nearby. I've done it by foot and it's quite a long walk, but you know, when you walk, the pace is different. With the bike, it's like, but I need to train. I want to get better at it, and it's a lot more efficient, you know. It takes me 45 minutes. Thank goodness I had water and sunscreen and a towel. Okay, I just want to give you an update about the bra that I was knitting and I showed in my latest podcast episode. And you saw me wearing it throughout today. I've been wearing it for 5 days now and amazing. There are a couple of things that I want to change. This pattern, for those who don't know, I designed it myself. I wanted a simple bra and it works. The only thing I want to change some little details, and the bottom band stretched a lot, as you could see. So I think I'll add an elastic band, so I'll fold the bottom band onto itself from the inside of the bra, and then I'll add this elastic band and then I'll sew it, if that makes sense. So it will create a little bit more, the bra will get a bit more fitted under my ladies on my rib cage. I think I'll re-knit it in a darker color. I still want to knit it with a silk yarn. Maybe this time I'll knit it with pure silk yarn and see how the fabric will behave. I really like that it's so breathable. Usually I wear sports bra, and while they have great functions of support and so on, they are mostly made out of synthetic fibers, and that's all right, but sometimes you don't really, the skin doesn't really breathe, so it's nice to have something that is really like keeps everything cool and it's breathable. I love it. So throughout today I was really happy wearing it. I'm wearing it right now. It's really nice. The only thing is the bottom band, and yeah, I could write a pattern, but I suck with math very much. So if you are a knitwear designer or you know how to replicate the pattern for different sizes, please write me. I'll leave my email in the description box. So if you want to help me out, we can try to talk about it. But yeah, I have 2 more bra patterns that I would recommend you if you are interested in finding bra patterns, and they are both from the Naked Knit. One is the basic bra and one is the everyday bra, I think, and they look beautiful. They seem very nice. I haven't knitted them though, so I don't know. But they seem really nice in case you were looking for a bra pattern. So the plan for the rest of the day is to go and harvest these, I think they're wild cherries. They're called VISCIOLE or amarene selvatiche, I think, in Italian. My neighbor, he taught us this recipe that we're gonna do. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. So let's go.
Look up there, how beautiful. It's just full. And they're so tasty. È gelato?
Gelata? Buona?
Aspetta.
Falla sciogliere un po'.
Una.
I mean, I like them a lot. It's just my teeth can't stand when it's so cold. Frozen cherries with maybe a bit of sugar, maybe?
No, there isn't sugar. These are just frozen.
That's incredible.
Bibi.
They're like ice cream.
Sono buone.
Sono buonissime.
Un'idea tua?
Un'idea mia.
Wow, Luciano, sei un coco.
Okay, we got like almost 3 kilos. I'm gonna place it in this huge glass jar. Isn't this amazing?
Looks good.
So what will happen is that the sugar will melt, and when the sugar melted down, you add a little bit of alcohol if you want, or you just keep them like that in the fridge. Okay, so the day is coming to an end. I'm so happy with the things that we've done today. If you are Italian and you know the proper English name of this VISCIOLE and amarene selvatiche, please share them with us, share the name with us, because I just call them wild cherries, but I don't know if it's correct. I wish you a great evening or a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was really nice and fun to bring you along, and see you next time.